Hi guys, it's Ron Max. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be taking a look at this 2024 Ford Bronco Raptor, and this truck is massive. So I want to give a big shout out to Porsche of St. Paul for letting me this truck to do a review on. So follow me, let's take a look. So this is the 2024 Ford Bronco Raptor, and there are a few reasons why you would want to get this truck. Now, one reason is its sheer size and its off-road capabilities, and another reason is its customization. So basically, you could do what you want to do in this truck, like taking off the hard top roof and putting a soft top roof. Secondly, you could completely take the whole roof off and drive in the summertime. And another reason is you could even take the doors out, especially if you're in the sand dunes. You could take the doors off and you could really enjoy this truck. Looking at the front, you can see how massive this truck is. And on the front grille, it's got this Ford right on it and a front facing camera, and it even has a camera wash as well. And you can see it's got this lighting here for especially when you're off-roading. And down to the bottom section, you can see everything here is all metal. So this here is all metal, and it's got the parking sensors integrated right on it. And down over here, it's got this fog light, which also helps you, especially if you're in the sand dunes or in the desert. Moving down to the bottom, again, this one has this skid plates, which you can see here, and also recovery hooks. So 2 in the front, 2 in the back. And inside here, it's got the adaptive cruise control sensors. Moving to the side. Now, the first thing you'll notice is this massive flares and these wheels. These things are just massive. Now, if you go close, now this one here has the 17-inch beadlock wheel and the 37-inch tire. Again, this is an off-road king right here, and you can see on the tires it's got this Baja Champion stamped right on it. This also has the Fox 3 dampers, which adapts to any road condition, and especially if you're in the sand dunes or off-roading. Looking at the back, this one comes with the full tire again, the 37-inch tire, and you can see it's got the camera right on there. And again, over the top here, it's got the 3 lights here, brake lights. Let's go and open up the back. So once you pull this, you pull that all the way. Now you can see how big it is in the inside. So let's pull this one up again. So it's very massive. You can put a lot of things in there, huge cargo space. And once you put these seats down, you could have even more space in there to put things. And if you look at the top here, it's got this other section where if you take the roof off, you could really enjoy this truck. And it's got the Raptor Ford performance right on there as well. So really cool interior. All right, so let's see what's powering this Ford Raptor. Under the hood is a 3-liter twin turbocharged V6 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and this produces 418 horsepower and 440 pound-feet of torque, which from 0 to 60 is about 5.8 seconds. So once you put your feet down, you'll feel the power transferring into the wheels, and you can see how the front will lift up basically. So very eager to move, and also very fast as well. All right guys, so this is the interior of the Ford Bronco Raptor, and one thing you notice is this accent. So there's yellow accents throughout the car, so you can see here on the steering wheel, and even on the side here, you can see the Bronco is in that yellow accent or the orange accent, and even in the vents here. So let's go ahead and start it up. So foot in the brakes and start it. So once that starts, it's got 2 digital screens, the cluster and the 12-inch infotainment system here. So really massive. You can see here Raptor Ford performance. So over here, so again, it's got this screen here. You can see here on the left side, it's got the RPM, and on the right side, it's got the speed. So right now it's got a low fuel. So again, you could also go to different views in this screen. So once you press this button here, you can go to different sections. So you go to different sections and you see my view and settings. On the left bottom section, it's got a steering wheel warmer, and for this R, once you press it, it goes straight to the mode settings, and you can see it's got the sports for the wheel locks and all that. On the right side, it's got the damper, and also for the exhaust, you could either open it or close it. So for this one here, right next on Baja, once you press it again, it's got the quiet mode, normal, and sports mode. On the right side again, so this is the 12-inch, and again, very intuitive. It's got different functions. Again, it's got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and you got the app, so different apps, and you can go to settings and features. And once you do reverse, this one has 360 view as well, and once you press that, you can have different views, or just keep it at the 360 with the top down view. So we'll go back to park. Going down to the bottom, it's got a climate control and also a volume. So again, this one still has some buttons here. So once you turn anything, it shows up in there. So we'll turn that down. Climate control, same thing. Once you adjust it, you'll see it right on the screen. And this one has, again, you can see the steering wheel warmer, and this one has seating, heated seat as well. And down the bottom, it's got the GOAT mode. So the GOAT one has the mode basically. So you can turn this over here. So once you turn it, so right now it's on normal. Once you turn it again, it's got off-road, Baja, and crawl. So let's turn it to the other side. You can see it's got the sports, it's got a tow and haul, and slippery. So different modes for it. On the right side, you can see a cup holder, and down here is the window controls. On the top here, it's got the wheel lock settings as well. And right on the very top, it's got the auxiliary switches here, which you could integrate into different things. And for this one, again, like I explained earlier, you can take the top off. So how to take the top off? It's got some latches up here where you can unlatch it and you can take the roof off. So really, really interesting here. I like how this one has this Bronco in the orange accent color as well. Going into the back, you can see 3 full adults on the rear. So let's take a look at the back side. So once you go in and have a seat, so that's my seat setting. You see I have a good knee room here, and if you look at the other side, it's got a lot of space back here and some plugins down here in the window control. All right, guys, so let me know what you guys think about this Ford Bronco Raptor. If this is a buy for you, or you would want to go with something else. But you got to remember, this truck is massive. With a 37-inch tire, you can go to any trail and you'll be completely fine. And even in the summertime, when it's hot out, you could completely take the roof off, and also even the doors, and really enjoy this truck. So let me know what you guys think about it, and put down in the comments what you guys think. So thanks a lot for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and press that like and subscribe to help my channel grow. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.